The LinknLink eMotion Ultra redefines what a presence sensor can do. Going beyond traditional PIR sensors, this cutting-edge device combines 60 GHz mil-wave radar with a suite of environmental sensors, an IR blaster, and seamless integration with Home Assistant, Alexa, and Google Home. Whether you're automating your smart home or building advanced routines, the eMotion Ultra delivers precision, flexibility, and unmatched intelligence. The eMotion Ultra features a sleek, foldable stand with double-sided magnets, making installation versatile. Mount it on a wall, place it on a desk, or attach it magnetically to surfaces. Cable-powered, no batteries required. It ensures consistent performance and reliability. Setup is handled through the LinknLink application, which also provides clear installation guidance and calibration options. One of its standout features of LinknLink eMotion Ultra is multi-zone positioning. With the LinknLink application, you can define up to 4 customizable zones, like sofa, desk, bed, dining table, and create personalized automation rules for each. The sensor can detect and track up to 4 individuals simultaneously, making it a powerful tool for family households or shared spaces, all while keeping data private and local. The LinknLink eMotion Ultra is more than just a presence sensor. It's a smart home command center. With its precise MM-wave radar detection, rich environmental sensing, and powerful integration capabilities, it outclasses traditional sensors and even replaces multiple standalone devices. For homeowners, smart home enthusiasts, and professionals looking to create intelligent, responsive environments, the eMotion Ultra is an indispensable addition.